Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, if a number is multiplied by 8, then it increases by 154. So we have to find the number. So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Therefore, according to the question, what they are trying to say is that if you multiply this number by 8, that is 8x, then the original number, that is x, is increased by 154. So this will be our required equation from which we can find the required number. So shift x to the left hand side. So we will get 8x minus x equals 154. Now 8x minus x is equals 7x. 7x will be equals 154. So divide both sides of the equality by 7. So x will be equals 154 upon 7, which will be equals, so 2, 2. So x will be equals 22. So 22 will be our required answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.